here anyway, has him ready to go to the body. Yep, there it is. First time as a pro for Nieves, first time in the ring with a fighter like Naoya Inoue.
Like I said, he's a great fighter, but has he really been tested? Like, all his fights been in Japan, and come Saturday, we're gonna shock the world. We'll leave it at that, and come Saturday, we're gonna shock the world.
Gugulatin daw niya ang buong mundo. Ito ang mga katagang sinabi ng Amerikanong ito noong nakatapat niya ang halimaw ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Sa mga panahong to kasi ay sa Japan pa lamang madalas na lumalaban itong si Naoya. Kaya naman wala pa gaanong nakakakilala sa kanya at kung gaano kalakas ang halimaw na kanyang daladala. Kaya ganun na lamang siguro ang kumpiyansa ng ilan sa mga boksingerong nakakalaban niya. Ngunit sa gabi ng laban ay dito na nagugulantang ang kanyang mga nakakalaban. At sa bandang huli na lamang nila nalalaman na tunay nga pala talagang halimaw itong The Monster ng Japan.
2 minutes to go, Jam. She's unbelievable for Inoue. Third time he's gone down.
Kagaya sa nangyari sa boksingerong ito, kung saan ay kanyang minaliit at ininsulto itong si Naoya Inoue. September 9, 2017, nang magpasya ng lumipad papunta sa bansang Amerika itong halimaw na Hapon para idepensa sa ika-6 na pagkakataon ang kanyang hawak na WBO Junior Bantamweight title. Dito ay nakalaban niya ang Amerikanong si Antonio Nieves na may impresibong kartada na 17 wins with 9 knockouts at may isang talo lamang. Bago ang araw ng laban ay marami ng kabulustugan ang sinasabi nitong kanyang kalaban na kesyo masyado daw maliit para sa kanya itong si Naoya, kaya hindi siya nito kayang mapatumba at panay lang naman daw overhype itong Hapon at hindi dapat tawaging isang tunay na world champion. Kaya pagkatapos umano nito magiging laban nila ay paniguradong siya na ang tatanghaling bagong mukha ng super flyweight division. Pero pagdating sa aktual na bakbakan ay tila kabaliktaran sa kanyang inaasahan ang natikman nitong si Antonio Nieves. Sa unang round pa lang ay pinatikim na sa kanya ni Naoya Inoue ang kanyang malulutong na kombinasyon, lalong-lalo na ang kanyang pamatay na body blow na unti-unti nang bumabaon sa katawan ng Amerikano.
Nieves has an idea of land his own shot. Good 1-2 by Inoue.
It's obviously you can get caught with a shot. Good shot from the
upstairs. Well, Inoue has been a little bit wide. But you amateur fight, so he has had one knockdown scored against him, although he says in this round. Now he goes downstairs and comes back up and fires the left hook to the 115-pounder.
Sa mga sumunod na round ay bahagyang naging mas agresibo na itong si Antonio Nieves sa pag-atake. habang itong si Naoya ay patuloy lang sa pagsibak sa bodega ng kalaban niya.
Jabs per round than any other top fighter in the sport, an average of 37 coming in. He's throwing 41 jabs per round here tonight.
Inoue has to put Nieves away here in this round or next, because and really look devastating, makes water cooler buzz the next, on Monday at work. And if he scores a knockout here pretty soon, maybe he can do that. But with
Round 5, it looks like Nieves is trying to find somewhere to hide in the ring, and he can't find it as Inoue continues to track him down, pin him against the ropes, and pound him with power shots. Nieves trying to slip away to the side, slips away. Inoue just keeps walking him down, gets him into position there where he can face him and lands a body shot, one at authority.
one or two more of those, he could end this fight, Jen. Andre, this is what you...
Sa pagpasok ng panglimang round ay dito na tuluyang napaluhod ang Amerikano matapos itong mapuruhan ng isa na namang sulit na body blow.
First time down as a pro for Nieves, first time in the ring with a fighter like Naoya Inoue.
Why throw anything other than a left hook to the body if you're Inoue?
Exactly. All the hands in the body right now. So protect the head, but the body can't move.
On the round, Inoue stalking.
There it is.
Another body punch other than a hook to the body. And there's another one. And there's another one. Change anything. Another left hook to let Max Kellerman and Andre Ward some boxing. I don't care who you are, who you're fighting, where you've been brought up. Learn to throw the left hook to the body. It will win you more fights than any other weapon.
He did not win by stoppage. Only throwing one.
Medyo matibay rin talaga itong si Antonio Nieves at nagawa pa niyang makaraos hanggang sa sumunod na round. Gayunpaman ay mas lalo pang dinidiinan nitong The Monster ng Japan ang kanyang mga banat sa katawan.
Nieves looked at him like, wait a minute, you're allowed to another left hook to the body. Listen to the sound of the left hand bite.
You can see Nieves keeping that right hand glued to his side right there. That's why you can go on the strong.
You're going to see big things from me in the ring. Come to me. Come to me. I'm ready for the knockout right now.
The referee has to keep a close look on Nieves in the middle.
Kaya nang matapos ang ika-6 na round ay tuluyan ng sumuko ang corner ng Amerikano. Pero bago yan, kung gusto ninyong kumita at manalo habang nanonood ng mga paborito ninyong sports gaya ng basketball at lalo na sa boxing, ay gamitin lang ang 1xBet. Maliban dyan ay marami ring mga online games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. Pumunta lamang sa 1x Games menu at pumili ng mapupusuan ninyong laruin gaya na lamang nitong Crush, kung saan napakadali lamang nitong laruin. Hahanapin mo lang ang tamang pattern para manalo. Pwede nyo ring subukan itong Money Wheel. I-spin nyo lang itong wheel at ganun lamang kadaling manalo. Gamitin lamang ang ating promo code na BoxBeatTV para makakuha kayo ng up to 7,000 pesos na bonus sa una mong deposito. Kung magkano yung dineposit nyo, ay ganun din yung amount ng bonus na makukuha mo. I-click lang ang register button at i-save lamang ang inyong username at password. 200 pesos lang ang ating minimum cash in dito at makakalaro na kayo. At para naman makapag-deposito at makapag-withdraw kayo ay madali lang din. Gamit lamang ang GCash, PMaya or bank transfer at iba pa. So ganun lamang kadali ang manalo at kumita ng pera dito sa 1xBet. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo? Register na!